Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to access Windows 11 wallpaper location folder. So firstly open File Explorer. Now here open C drive. Now open this Windows folder. Now here find out web folder, this one. So open it. Now here you have to click on wallpaper. So here you will see a list of folders, and every folder has some themes. So guys, once you open any folder, so you will see some images like this one. So this is the way guys you can access wallpaper in Windows 11. So thanks for watching guys, and please comment this video useful for you or not, and by these simple steps we can access Windows 11 wallpaper location folder. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.